Hello everyone, it's Bree. Thank you for joining me again. Today we'll talk about switching between two colors during a double crochet stitch. So there's my little sample piece. I have a little double crochet row going on. Just gonna fix that right there. Okay, so I'm gonna finish out this row. Got one more double crochet before the end, so I'm gonna do that one. And then this is the last double crochet of the row. I'm going to start the double crochet, yarning over, pulling through two, and then two left on the loop. I'm going to pick up the next color, color B, and just place it on the hook. And then I'm going to pull that through the last two, completing the double crochet. Now to secure this end, I'm going to put that string to the back and taking the first color, color A, putting it over the front and towards the back. And now I will use this new color, color B, to chain two, which will start my next row. So I'm just going to turn the work right there, pull the first color tight and place it against the piece because I'm going to try to weave it in as I go. So I'm just going to double crochet into the first stitch with a new color, just like normal. But what I'm going to do is keep that first color underneath. So I'm going to be double crocheting around that string because I want to have it on the other side of the project. So I have to keep it kind of with me, but I'm hiding it under there so nobody can see it. Clever, right? So yeah, I'm just going to double crochet as normal. This part is easy. You know this part. So just relax and don't stress out, but keep that string really tight and close to the double crochets on the bottom row. See, I just pulled it a little tighter right there. So, yep. Okay, this is the last stitch. So I'm going to prepare for the double crochet and yarn over and pull through two, and then there's two left on the loop. I'm going to drop that color and pick up the next color and just pull it through to complete the double crochet. Easy, right? And then I'm going to put the previous color over the front and towards the back to lock it into place. And then just chain two stitches. Turn my work, and there we have two colors combined. Isn't that so cute? Looks like Easter colors almost. So, I know this is a weird color combination. So just doing it one more time, I'm going to double crochet into the first stitch with a new color. There we go. And then we're just double crocheting around the string of the previous color. We're not doing anything with it, we're just double crocheting around it, but keeping it very close to the project so it won't like bulge through or anything. Yep, just double crocheting like normal. Gonna switch my hand placement a little bit because my hand gets tired sometimes, but still double crocheting like normal. And this is the last stitch, and one more time we're just gonna double crochet halfway through, leave two on the hook, drop that color, pick up the next one, pull it through to complete. Old color to the back, chain two with the new color, flip it. So easy, right? Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials. Thank you. Bye.